Asian chutney hot wings. What sounds cool?
I
wish I was recording.
What's chutney?
Which chutney?
You are recording.
Okay. What is drumsticks and greens? You know, I kind of like think about it like, okay, had so many traveling expeditions and all of this stuff. I taste so much food around the world that got inspired, and I was just like, yo, when I get back to my kitchen, then this is what I'm gonna do. This is chutney, okay? This is our mango ginger chutney. It's spices and herbs and aromas that blends well with fruits and sweet things. Very aromatic taste to these wings, and I think you guys are gonna love it. You can also get mango chutney from like your local supermarkets, so just look for it. First, we're gonna start with this blue cheese, right? So a lot of people don't think you can make blue cheese from home, but you can. Blue cheese crumbles, all right? I'm a huge fan of blue cheese. I think blue cheese is the dipping sauces of all dipping sauces. Or Chick-fil-A sauce too, because that's honey mustard on crack. Don't want too much, but you want enough to let them know that it's blue cheese. Mayo, all right? 2 scoops of mayo, all right? That was 2. That was 2. Sour cream. So half mayonnaise, half sour cream. Lemon juice. It's gonna add that citrus. And we're gonna chop up some fresh parsley. I usually like take my parsley and like bunch it up and then chop, because you get more of your chop with that. You get more of your chop. And boom, right? Pepper, salt, and that's it. We'll mix these. We also gonna try to break up this blue cheese because the blue cheese is very strong and we don't want a lot of big chunks in it. Also, you want to cook this ahead of time so you can get the blue cheese flavor in there. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to... Noah. I'm always... Yo, should I do a GoFundMe or should I just do like a pandemic like donation drive to where like I just sit outside and have a basket and be like, my equipment does not work and I need you to donate to Drumsticks and Greens. Can you please? Because obviously, why does this do this? Like that's... Target. Let's taste this. What does it need? Doesn't need anything. No. You know what it needs? Let's add some of our herb olive oil. Bring it up a bit. Now, in this olive oil, we have rosemary, thyme, garlic, peppercorns, and amazingness. Check this. Look at that blue cheese. That is so good, you can sell it to your mother and make money. That's it. Yes, that's it. All of you. I'm gonna retire. So now, we're gonna season these wings. Salt and pepper. Good salt content because this is all the salt that we're gonna use for these wings. We need to... My homegirl, Lynette, sent me this meme. When niggas see recipes and it say season the chicken with salt and pepper, they put seasoning salt and onion powder. Oh, bro, salt and pepper, nigga, like olive oil. A little bit, just a little bit. Now, we're gonna sit these in buttermilk for a second. That's fine, you don't need a lot. And the acidity and the cream from that buttermilk is gonna tenderize that chicken. We're just gonna sit it in there for a minute. Wash our hands, and we're gonna do the sauce. Let's turn this on. We're gonna fry our chicken, right? We're gonna get this oil going. Not too hot, not too blazing, but let's just start to warm it up. I'm gonna scoop out whatever I feel as though these wings can take. We got chunks of mango, and we don't really want that on our chicken, right? So we just gonna smash these mango bits Alright, let's add our ingredients. Garlic. We're gonna grate it because we don't want chunks of garlic on our chicken like that. You know, we kind of want to have it melt and blend into that sauce. Pull out ginger. Hope this doesn't break. We forgot to get one from the last episode. The last episode it broke. Come on, skin these. Okay. Now, grate our ginger too with the garlic. They're brothers and sisters. Do it. Now, for our salt content, soy sauce, sriracha, sesame oil, enough, red chili pepper, and that's gonna add that heat, that kick, that bite. You know, we want some hot wings, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna round out that flavor with some brown sugar, and also to round out that sweetness, honey. And the last thing we're going to add is our Szechuan pepper. Where is it? Boom. And like that. Szechuan peppers give a dope, dank flavor to Asian dishes. Boom, boom, boom. Let's taste our sauce. I'm gonna just ship this to you and you can just finish the episode by yourself. Done.
You can turn the camera off. You can cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
That's Jose from the Free Nationals. Oh, Jose! Jose from Anderson Paak and the Free Nationals. Yo, they're all my homies, yo. Congratulations to them on their Grammy and just everything. Hey, do you want to stop by and be on my show? Alright, so look, I see chefs doing this, and once I started doing it, I understood why they do it. I used to take the wings or the chicken outside of the buttermilk and just put it in there. But I like putting the flour inside of the chicken mixture because it adds more crunch to it. So mix this flour in with this buttermilk because we want those wings to absorb all of that sauce that we done just made with the chutney and the carrying on and the whoop dot and the carrying on and the carrying on and the carrying on. All right, so once you get them like this, it's fine. It's fine like that, all right? So now, let's drop these hoes in. 1 wing. 2 wings. We should be on Sesame Street. That should be the new count on Sesame Street. 3 wings. 4 wings. 5 wings. And then the 6th wing. Yeah. 7th wing, yeah. And the 8th wing, yeah. That's it. We got these tips. I'm gonna do these later, but I love to like chew on these, so that's none of your business. And we want an internal temperature of about 175 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, then just Google how to figure out when your chicken is done. No, don't do that. Leave it in here for about, I want to say 10 minutes, 15, depending on. But you will know when it's done because once you take it out, it's not going to be red when you poke it. It's going to be all like juices. So I'm frying wings because I love fried chicken. Nigga, that's what I grew up on. That's just it. Like, fried chicken wing. That's it. I just didn't put a lot of like southern seasoning. I didn't put no southern seasoning. Salt, pepper, that's just it. And then all the other flavors comes from the sauce. Yo, too bad I don't have wings just like sitting around that's already ready. So I gotta sit here and I have to wait until they're done. Play the waiting. Alright, now the wings are done. Let's turn this fire off. Let it continue to cook for a little bit, and we're about to take them out and finish this dish because it's done. Boom. So now, we'll take these, put it in our chutney sauce. trying to flip it. I'm not even gonna be fancy like I'm gonna flip it, because I will ruin my whole floor. These wings are about to be so good. You just don't know unless you make this recipe. Alright? And my guilty pleasures in here as well, because they have to be incorporated too. Now, let's give these a stir. All of the wings are gonna be coated with this sauce.
That looked so fucking good.
Let's get our garnish ready. How did I know it was gonna fit that perfect on the plate? I didn't. But my mama told me. Oh, I gotta take a bite of it, don't I, Noah? I'm gonna just take it without the blue cheese, just with the. This tastes better. Oh my gosh. This tastes better than when I tried to make it the first time. I don't give a damn. Spitting no. Yo. And with this blue cheese. I'm retiring at 18. Oh my gosh. This was another episode of Drumsticks and Orgasm. Drumsticks and Greens. Alright? Good day, everyone. Bye. And we have Jose K. Jose K. Yo. Try this wing, bro.
Let me see this.
I just cranked at it. Boom. I just cranked at it, dog. Hey, let's go. Drumsticks and Wings. Episode